Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram notifications private and away from prying eyes on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you the updated steps to hide the content of other Instagram notifications on your lock screen, so your personal alerts stay just that. Personal. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to Settings. This is where you control most of your device's privacy and notification preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. This will open up all the settings related to Instagram, including permissions, storage, and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This section gives you detailed control over what kind of Instagram notifications you receive and how they appear. Within the Instagram notification settings, look for the section labeled Other. This category covers notifications that aren't direct messages or comments, such as friend suggestions, new followers, or general activity. Tap on Other to access its specific notification options. Next, tap on Lock Screen. This is where you determine what information is visible when your phone is locked. From the options, choose Hide Content. With this setting enabled, Instagram's other notifications will still appear on your lock screen, but the content will be hidden. Instead of seeing details, you'll just get a generic notification, keeping your information private until you unlock your phone, and that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your Instagram privacy. Now, even if your phone is locked and someone else picks it up, they won't be able to read the content of your Instagram notifications. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow these same steps and select the option to show content again. Your privacy is always in your hands. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who values their privacy as much as you do. Stay safe and see you in the next one.